Hey guys, StrengthenX here, back with part 3 of 4 of our bodybuilding for beginners workouts. I hope you've watched the previous 2 videos. We'll put the links up here for you. If you haven't, go back and have a look at them because it's a 4-part series for a week's worth of workouts.
We're getting there now, aren't we?
We are getting there.
How are you guys getting along? Are you guys enjoying the video so far? Drop a comment in the section below. Let us know how you're getting on. What is it that you want to know more about the workouts? Is there anything you want to add? Maybe we'll do a 5-part series or beyond, who knows?
Maybe.
Or maybe we might have some kind of app coming out soon.
Maybe.
That might actually have all these exercises and more on. Ooh, who knows? More on.
You're a moron.
Thanks, dude.
Just copy my dress sense. Right guys, here's the workouts. Get cracking.
Okay, that was 3 of 4. And as you are aware, we're drawing closer to the end of our 4-part series. How are you enjoying this so far? Are you liking this? If you are, make sure you press that like button, please.
Yes.
And of course,
like, share, subscribe.
Yes, especially subscribe and share because they're the ones that get the content out to others.
Yes.
You can also enjoy this video as well.
Yes, share your gains.
Yes, share the gains. Yes, you're getting some gains. You know, show your mates, obviously.
That's it. So subscribe in the middle, hit the notification bell, bring up the videos, the other videos we have if you like them.
Share.
Check us out, guys.
Share.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.